bit frosty and crispy this morning, really cold. It's about -6 degrees centigrade. There's not much wind though, and it's a little bit foggy. I'll show you in this field here in a minute how foggy it is. I think you'll get a good idea how foggy it is now. See to the end of that field okay. Beyond that it's really misty. So I'll see how it goes. Take the Bebop up, see what happens. As long as I've got good GPS, that's all you need to worry about really in this weather. So I'll catch you in a minute when we get there. Well, I've never been here on a day like this. It's really crispy and frosty. It's not been snowing or anything. It's just been really cold overnight. It's really foggy and misty as well. It just lifted quite a lot this morning. It's still around -6 degrees centigrade. No wind whatsoever, a little tiny breeze, but that's nothing. So there's a couple of things that concern me first straight away. That's the fog. I don't know if I'm going to get a GPS lock or what. I'm going to be able to see my drone okay. I can see right up to the bridge, alright. It's just the GPS concerns me a little bit. Sometimes when it's really cloudy and foggy, it can stop you getting a GPS signal. So we'll check that out. And the other thing is the temperature. These lipos on the Bebop are not in the best condition, and when the temperatures are this low it just saps them really quickly. As soon as you take off you lose probably about 10-15%. We'll see how it goes anyway. I'll just set it up and see how we go. Take it from there.